Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Today we're preparing chicken pie or chicken turnover. It is one of the most common snacks you can ever find in a Ghanaian restaurant. Obviously, I will need to prepare something delicious so I can put in my pie. So first of all, these are my natural spices. I have my soy sauce over here. I have my cabbage. This is also my corn flour. Yeah, I also use carrots. I have my green peas here. I have onions and my favorite chicken. So you know what? We're going to add everything together, cook it for some time, and then this will be for something like our toppings before we even fold the meat pie or the meat turnover. We're using chicken naturally. As we have our chicken on fire under low heat with our dry natural ingredients on it, we put a little bit of water to cook the chicken, and now we can put whatever ingredients left on it. You know, it's always amazing to be cooking things like this, to be doing stuff like this in your home kitchen, because eating good food is actually one of the most important things you can ever offer your family and yourself. I add my vegetables to it and then stir until I am okay with how it is mixed. I also have here my corn flour. I mix it with water and then I can also pour that into the stew or toppings I'm making here. This is very easy to make and anyone can do this. You know, I add my green peas on it and then I'm good to go. This is how I achieve a favorite stew or toppings, let me say it that way. Now to my dough, I add 1 tablespoon of salt to 3 cups of flour, soft flour I mean, and then I can add my margarine, yes, and then mix everything together so I have that solid dough I want, and then mix everything like that. You can base it with water when it's so like not to your satisfaction. You obviously need to add water to form the dough. I'm making my dough round like this so that anytime I pick one of it, it will be very fast for me to work on it. So that is why I'm doing it. You can also do yours as well. I make them in round balls and then set it aside so that anytime you pick one, you can work on it before the other. I'm smearing margarine on my baking sheet and also on my chopping board. So this is what I'm talking about. I pick one of the ball, then I work on it. I use the rolling pin on it, and then it's easy for me to cut and do everything I need to do by just taking one of the balls. So I roll and work on the edges to give me a very smooth and flat surface so I can be able to cut and take the excess out of it like that, and then I can now put my toppings to it. I can now take the excess and then fold it and secure the edges with my fork, as you can see, and seal the edges. I mean, you have to seal the edges like that. And yes, I have this set aside. I do same for another thing. This time I'm using my hands, so you can create any design you want with the edges, and it looks so beautiful as I am doing. So I'm showing you about 3 types of how I do this. I can get a square if I want to by using a knife, and that is what I'm about to demonstrate to you. So water is what I'm using at the tip of the dough so that I can be able to something like glue it on it. So whatever you saw me doing from the previous ones is also water. You use water to base it like that. And then here I am. I'm now good to go to seal the edges of it, and then voila. So the square shape I cut has given me a triangle meat pie. To achieve an attractive pie at the end of the day, you will need egg and milk, mix them together, and then spread it on top of the pie so that after it comes out of the fire, the oven, you get this nice shimmer on top of your pie. My oven is already on, and I will leave the pie inside for about 25 minutes till it turned golden brown before I bring it out. This is what I achieved after a good work done from my home kitchen. Wouldn't you like to do same from the comfort of your home? Yes, it's good food. Prepare it by yourself and tell the difference from eating outside and eating from home. This is going to be so much delicious. Look at the shimmer I'm talking about. So beautifully laid, and there you have it. So bravo to anyone who is thinking of preparing or watching this episode right here from my channel. I love you guys so much and see you next time. Bye.